Hello there, I'm Kate and I am excited to welcome you to this video. Well, I'm here to show you how you can create a Rubik's Cube like this or this using Blender with the simple steps that you can follow as a beginner. Let's begin by understanding the essential tools and functions within Blender Workspace. If you don't have yet the Blender software, you can check out the description box below to download it. Okay, to start, this is where you'll spend most of your time. It's the workspace for creating, manipulating, and viewing your 3D objects. Okay, so to navigate, you could use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out, hold down the middle mouse button to pan, and use Shift plus middle mouse button to rotate your view. Okay, so this is what the toolbar looks like. This is your primary toolbar, which consists of essential tools like select, move, and rotate tools. Okay, to select an object, simply click on the 3D viewport. You can also use shortcut keys like A to select all or B to box select multiple objects. Next would be the object properties. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the Object Properties tab. Here you can modify an object's name, location, rotation, and scale. For the modifier properties, this is where you can apply various modifiers to your objects. For example, the mirror modifier that can create symmetrical objects. And next would be to scale an object. You can click and drag on the scale axis or press S and then move your mouse. The next one would be the materials. The materials tab lets you add color and textures to your objects. You can just click new to create a new material and use the shader editor to customize it. And to assign a material to an object, select the object and click the material's name and hit assign. And there you have it. These are some of the basic tools to get you started with Blender. So let's start on with the process on making the Rubik's Cube. So the first step would be creating the inside of the Rubik's Cube. So you can just click Shift A to add a mesh. And then click the UV sphere. Next, you need to add on the tube on each side. Okay, so there you have it. And once that is done, we will now proceed to the second process, which is creating and forming the pieces of the Rubik's Cube. So right here, I am creating each individual pieces of the Rubik's Cube to fit in on the inside of the Rubik's Cube. Okay, after you have finished and did all of the same steps in creating the pieces, we can now move on to the step 3, which is coming up with a form or the look of your Rubik's Cube. So right here in this area or in this tools, you can put modifiers to your pieces and create the style you want. Okay, so once that's done, you can now choose the material for your Rubik's Cube and select scenes. So right here, this is where you can select the material and choose what materials you would like to use, and also select the scenes. So on the last step would be the rendering process, so which you can change the camera angle, and this is where you can render. So on this part, you can now see the actual look on the Rubik's Cube that you have made. There you have it. These are some of the basic steps that you can follow as a beginner to create your own unique designs of Rubik's Cube. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Kay, and remember to stay curious, stay inspired, and stay awesome. See you in the next video. Bye for now. There you have it. These are some of the basic steps that you can follow as a beginner to create your own unique designs of Rubik's Cube. Remember, practice makes it perfect. Remember, practice makes perfect. Blender has a learning curve. With patience and dedication, you'll be creating your amazing 3D models in no time. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Kay, and remember to stay curious, stay inspired, and stay awesome. See you in the next video. Bye for now.